Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email ID on Bow dating app. So you can see this is the home page of Bow account. So what you need to do, you need to tap here three lines, simply tap on that and scroll down a little bit. Then you can see the option settings, simply tap on settings, and you can see the privacy, simply tap on the privacy, not privacy, simply tap here account. So account, and you can see change email, this option, simply tap on that, and the email you will see already here. But if you want to uh, change this email, then just remove it, and just remove this email, and you can put your new email here and then simply tap here on the right arrow. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.